government is legit here. Peep game, let's be sneaky.
They are literally
That's
hurting,
water.
killing our children,
My
and
pants
no
are
one
wet.
is questioning this.
Cut! So it's not the dry pants now. Let's check out these motherfuckers. You're gonna be out here doing testing. Testing what? What the fuck are you guys testing? That's what I wanna know. We all know Source 90 has heard certain things out in the ocean, and then my TikTok gets banned, and then the government shows up my boat. There's too many fucking coincidences.
And then he was silenced for interacting with the beings.